Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto E14. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then select the same options to set up both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, select scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!